Which one, Dylan?
You want one? It's here. It's here. See? Oh, come on. One lang ha.
Let's go na, Dylan. Follow Amma.
Do you want to try this one, Dylan? Move B. What? Yes or no? Oh, yes na yan. Okay.
Nag-grocery shopping po ang aming baby.
Decide na.
Ay, kahit nata-loaded.
Ikaw lang yun eh.
Kaya't nata-loaded. Dylan, how about this? Yeah? Yeah! Dylan, which pa? Ay, let's... Go, tama na.
Ah, no. Don't touch that. Not good for you. Sige.
Sinapay, Dylan.
Not also good for you. No.
Kada mag-ito do.
Not good for you. You want? Ayaw, palis pa niya kasi gusto niya.
Dylan, can you take some chips for Ai? Yeah, chips. Right. That one, the fish one. You take the fish one? That's not. No one of the fish. Oh no, where's Amma? Where's Amma? Oh no, Mama's gone. Go? Take it to Amma. Let's go find Amma. Go get one. You want that? Take one. Take it. Let's go find Amana. Yeah. Okay. Oopsie. Here, baba, baka madala ko siya. Give it to me. Give it to Ai. Come on, let's go na. Let's find Amma. Just walk straight, anak ko. Lag, nakapili man sulan na eh.
Let's go home na.
Bankrupt.
Sungin naman. Let's go home na. Yes or no? No. Ay! Wala na.
Puro chips.
Wala na kasi fruits masyado. Oo, no. Puri ba? Dirty. Let's go na, let's go. Ay, meron pala sila dito yun, no?
Na ito.
Ilagay ng kutsara. May takip na ano. Let's go! Ako na nga aalis. Kung ayaw niya magpag-alis dalawa. Ah? Balok ka? Sorry ba? Why did you come kasi? Next time, doon ikaw na ha?
Baby, no.
On the amba na lang. Okay? Yeah? Say yes. Ay, no daw. Nagulat ako doon anak ko.
No.
Yes, I know. Come on. Kita ng blue.
Mau. What's that, Dylan? Pops, Dylan, dito ka po. Kilig ka po.
Ito sabi ko pang tama. Anything else pa? Ay, hide. Alas gana. Come on. Hindi na nagkakay. No, let's go kami na. Yan yung nakaka-retard. Ito lang din ako sa... Open pa yung isa. Fried rice na lang. Rice. Ay, look, they have toothbrush nila nun. Toothbrush. Ano yung toothbrush? Yes, brush. Ang dito yan.
Log na saan?
Andito naman. Hindi pa.